Happy morning! I came from my Dapitan trip and this is what I got. Oops. And this is what I got. Shoink. Shoot. That's a basket. This is 100 pesos. And well, when I got it, it doesn't smell so good because of the natural material. But I had to expose it. I had to put it under the sun to somehow bumango. Then now, I'll use disinfectant spray. And of course, shape is a bit crooked. Tapos, there are some, may mga parang sira. So now we would fix that. But it's no issue. I know I can easily do this. And aside from that, I'm gonna Christmasify this basket. Make this part of my Christmas decor. So, ang una kong gustong gawin is to fix tong mga parang maluluwag, loose ends. Yan, there are some loose ends. Isi-secure ko lang. So, mahilig ako mag-iikot ng mga yarn like this. So, ginagawa ko siya sa cortina. Hindi pa ito yung Christmasifying element. Siyempre, this is making it bohemian pa lang. This is making it bohemian, not Christmasify. Christmasify. So the issues in this basket, una yung amoy, well, it doesn't smell good because of the natural material. So I have put it under the sun. I have disinfected it. So great improvement. Ang next issue is the loose ends, which I don't mind. So I would address that now. And then the third issue is the shape. So madaling ma-fix yan. Okay? Maganda ba? Lagyan ko ba nito? Maganda. Okay. I'll do that. I'll get scissors. So the purpose is to soften the look and secure tong mga loose ends and make it a bit mas feminine. Well, I know my original plan is to Christmasify. Pero mamaya, madali na yan. Kailangan mo nang maging, magmukha siyang prim and proper. Magmukha siyang hindi masyadong mahalata na maraming defects. So, let me just try this. So, second try ko na to. Yung una, I discarded the idea of using this yarn. So, I got this lace from Shopee. Yung ginamit ko for one of my curtain projects. Hindi ko alam if the length I cut is enough. Kulang lang. Pero okay lang, i-overlap ko lang yan. Solve na yan. Okay, so nakakalahati ako. So yung kalahati pala 2 ikot niya. Okay, so yung kalahating remaining, may 2 ikot din. O, diba? Good estimate. Is it making sense? Kung kalahati lang, na walang sense. So, kailangan ko itong ituloy. At least na-cover na niya yung mga loose edges. So, dalawang ikot. Yung kaninang estimate na length. 1, 2. I cut here. Ayan, nakakalahati na ako. So, tinago ko lang dito yung dulo. 8 hanggang dulo. Mini, continue the work. Overlap lang. I don't need to do stitching or glue gun. Go, go, go. Go, go, go process. Go, go, go. So, ang tanong, anong next step ko? Tingnan natin. I just want this to be something useful, beautiful, something I would love using or seeing. Hopefully using kasi basket to. So somehow, nagkaka-shape na siya or bumabalik na yung or na-improve na yung shape niya. Na last yan, here. And then, itatago na lang natin yung dulo. Okay, lace pa rin siya hanggang dulo. 8 hanggang dulo. Yan. Kasi very forgiving naman yung design. Kahit naman may mga overlap. Kailangan lang medyo secure. Yan. Hinalata. Medyo nagka-shape, syempre. So, let's see what else to do. I think I like it. It's more, parang it's giving me personal and more expensive looking. Ha 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 ha. Let's see what's next. So, yan ang kalat ko at ang dami kong pinagpilian na pwedeng ilagay dito to make my new, more elegant basket. To Christmasify this. And then, I found this. Bigay ng Farmer Bosco and Friend itong mga Christmas cards na to. Then, there was one year na kulang ako sa Christmas tree trimmings and what I did, nilagyan ko, well, of course, my ever-reliable yarn. So, yan. Actually, I have some more of this. Ito pa. So, lahat yan, bigay niya, Christmas cards. Yung iba na pamigay ko, yung iba, well, ito yung mga natira. So, yan. So, I'll use one of these. Ilalagay ko dito. Just very simple within the theme. So, okay lang na may pataas na ganun. Within the theme. Pero ididikit ko lang siyang ganyan. And something useful. Kung ano pwedeng ilagay dyan. Something na drop ka lang ng drop. So, I'll show you the end product. Yay! May concept na ako. And I think this is really Christmasified. And of course, my mess. I'll take care of that after I do this. I think ito na lang yung gagamitin ko. May touch of tie the two together. So, pwede rin itong gift basket. So, kung merong gifts na ilalagay mo dyan, nakalagay dito, wow, ang ganda, diba? Either that, this one, medyo may pabulaklak pa. Huwag na to. This one naman, maganda rin, pero yung isa kasi Christmas tree eh. So, parang mas okay ito. Yung isang, well, ito may touch of red. Pwede din. Ano lang. Ayan, ganyan lang. Formal-formalan lang. Tapos, mas pasko ang kulay. Pwede. So, parang gusto ko to. Ano lang. Siguro. Simpler. Well, ano ba mga naging options ko? Ito, snowflakes. Or, may ribbon pa pala akong pula. Wait. Let me see that. Oh. This came from my sister. Uy, parang it makes more sense. Oh my God. This one. Okay, so this is the winner. This is it. Ito na. ₱100, the P10 basket, my stash of lace, ribbon from my Ate Jem, card from my friend, and old books. Isn't that homey? Isn't that Christmassy? Oh, I love it. Happy morning! This is handing home my way.